Englanders! I'm Monokuma, murder specialist, evil mastermind, and the headmaster of Hope's Peak Academy. Now, I'm sure all of you are gathered here for a petrifying experience. A bit of immersive theater of terror. There's a reason why you're all standing in this abandoned train station. And it's because of a little something floating around in the media. You've heard of what's called a ghost train. You all know that a ghost train is a vintage fairground ride. But if you're like me, one of those weirdly creative individuals who thinks the ghost train is far more than that, they were both on the same page. Thorpe Park made a ghost train, didn't they? But can Alton Towers top that? We're about to find out. Welcome aboard Monokuma's ghost train. Destination, the underworld. Ah!